In this tutorial, we will review how to evaluate the performance of a journey through the use of a control group test. Here we have a re-engagement journey. The goal of this journey is to drive users to reactivate in the app. Let's set up a control group test to evaluate the performance of the journey. Opening up the Experiment side panel, I have the option to add in a control group. Let's add in a 10% control group. Adding in a 10% control group means that 10% of the customers who flow through this journey will be held out from the messaging, allowing us to compare reactivation rates between the control group and the active group. To get a better idea of how these reports look with live data, let's check out a live journey with a currently running control group. Here we have a welcome series. The goal of this journey is to motivate users to start using the search feature in the app. This journey has a currently running control group set to 20% of the audience. Reviewing the journey performance, we can see that 509 users have been part of the active audience, while 118 users have been part of the control group, roughly 20% of the total audience. Jumping into the side panel, we can see that the active group has a conversion rate of 10.6%, while the control group has a conversion rate of 8.1%, resulting in a 31.2% lift. We could choose to set the baseline now, or wait until the control group test has reached significance, looking for a value of 95% or greater for our confidence level. Setting a baseline means setting the established conversion rate of a recently run control group as a static comparison point going forward. Let's check out a set of journeys with already established baselines. Here we have an abandoned cart journey with two follow-on journeys. We can quickly see which journeys are performing better or worse than their baseline by looking at the green and red indicators on each card. Zooming in on the abandoned cart journey, we can see that the journey is performing 2.1 percentage points better than the baseline. Hovering over the baseline indicator, we can see more detail on the baseline conversion rate, when it was set, and what the lift metric is between the baseline and active journey. Zooming back out, we can see that the deals and discounts journey is performing 1.5 percentage points worse than its baseline, alerting us that we may need to revamp the messaging within this journey. With journey control groups and baselines, marketers can easily report out the impact their messaging strategies are having and quickly determine which journeys may need more attention.